Thank you, Mr. President. Allow me to begin by expressing Pakistan's sincere appreciation to the co-hosts of the 2026 Water Conference, Senegal and the United Arab Emirates, for conducting inclusive and transparent consultations on the themes for the interactive dialogues. We assure them of our full support for the successful convening of the conference. Pakistan aligns itself with the statement delivered by Egypt on behalf of the cross-regional group and would add the following remarks in our national capacity. The vital importance of water for sustaining life, livelihoods, peace and stability is universally recognized. Yet, today 2 billion people around the world still lack safely managed drinking water. Half of the global population lacks safely managed sanitation, and water scarcity and climate impacts are rapidly rising. Pakistan is no exception to these challenges. As a semi-arid and lower riparian country, we rely heavily on the Indus River and its tributaries, which serve as the lifeblood of our nation. The Indus River Basin hosts the world's largest contiguous irrigation system, providing food security for over 225 million people, underpinning our public health infrastructure and ensuring energy security. Mr. President, the 2026 Water Conference must prioritize advancing practical transboundary cooperation, including through reinforcing legal frameworks and promoting conflict prevention and peaceful dispute resolution. It should also elevate the voices of those countries, especially from the global south, that depend on shared water resources for their sustainable development and survival. Above all, the conference offers a crucial opportunity for all delegations to reaffirm their commitment to fundamental principles of international water law, specifically the equitable and reasonable utilization of shared water resources, the obligation to prevent significant harm to other riparian states, and the duty to cooperate. Accordingly, we welcome the inclusion of transboundary water cooperation as one of the themes for the interactive dialogues. Pakistan stands ready to contribute constructively to discussions under this theme by sharing insights from its decades-long treaty-based water-sharing arrangement. Mr. President, water should serve as a unifying force, not a source of division. Despite recent attempts by one country in our region to weaponize water, Pakistan remains resolute in its commitment to ensuring that the 2026 Water Conference accelerates the achievement of SDG 6 and fosters an international law-based approach to the governance and sustainable management of transboundary rivers and aquifers. I thank you.